Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. So your turn signal isn't working. Let me show you how to remove the turn signal lens and how to replace the light bulbs. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the battery and unsnap and remove this cover and set it aside. Okay, we're standing at the driver's side, and what you're going to do is you're going to look straight down on top of the headlight. Look straight down and you're going to look for this screw. This screw has a funny looking star head, but that's okay. A 1/4 inch socket with a long extension will work. Go ahead and screw it. Be aware that this screw is about 3 or 4 inches long. It's kind of a sheet metal screw. Once you've got it loosened, go ahead with your fingers and pull it out. Once you remove the screw, we're going to go ahead and take out the marker light or the turn signal light. There's 2 hooks in the back that connects it. Just move the front part outward and it'll come right out. It's pretty easy. Here's the hole where the screw went through. With this light fixture here, as you're looking down at it, you're going to turn it counterclockwise. At the same time, you're going to push that tab in, otherwise it won't turn. The light fixture is going to be a little hard to get out, but just imagine you're uncorking a bottle of wine. It'll eventually pop out. If you notice there's some tabs here, there's a couple of them, 2 or 3 of them I believe. Just make sure you align these tabs to the slots that are on the hole or the opening of the light fixture. You'll see some cutouts. It has to go back in a specific way. Once you have it out, you'll see the bulb there. All you do is pull it out, go to a parts store and just get another bulb for it if you want. Okay, once you replace the bulb, you align the fixture, push it in like you're corking a bottle of wine. Make sure that the fixture is all the way in. Look at it from the side and make sure that it's laying flat against that rubber gasket. Once you got it down there tight, then turn the light fixture clockwise so it locks in position. The same thing with the other bulb. You just turn it counterclockwise, it comes out. Take the bulb out, put your new bulb in, put the fixture back in, turn it clockwise so it locks into position. Okay, you just learned how to change your light bulbs on your turn signal lights. Now, it's time to close up the patient. You can see in the back here we got these 2 plastic hooks. If you look inside you'll see 2 slots. The back of the lamp has to go into those slots first, then maneuver the front in. Once you have it in, maneuver the front in, and look on top. You'll see the hole aligned with the metal hole in the body. Once everything's in and tight, go ahead and install the long screw. Go ahead and tighten that up too. Well, as you can see, we're all done. You did it. Okay, now all we got to do is snap in our plastic cover. Connect our battery, and we're all done. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye!